What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and Discussion for Tuesday, March 28, 2023. And before we get into today's video, I hope everyone is doing well, remaining positive, and as always, staying blessed. All right, you guys, looking at the surface map this morning, you see we have the frontal boundary here across the Gulf Coast has been very active and wet here with showers and thunderstorms. This morning, we had a nice little soaking here in the New Orleans area. And as you can see, those thunderstorms are now moving into southern Mississippi on their way towards southern Alabama and the Florida Panhandle. As you can see, there is several special weather statements in effect here, as well as a heavy rainfall advisory, which does extend from parts of the north shore of Lake Pontchartrain on eastward into southern Alabama and parts of the Florida Panhandle, you guys. The majority of this rain should be coming to an end here pretty soon across the New Orleans area, so we should start to clear out, you guys, as the day continues to progress here. And as I zoom out, you can see we even have a few showers and thunderstorms here across southern Texas along this front as well. And even into southern Georgia, you guys, we have some showers and thunderstorms. Now, we're going to take this off, you guys. All right, let me pause first, you guys. All right, then we're going to take all this off. Y'all know how I am over here. I got to have everything up, then everything off. All right. And I'm going to get it all off eventually, you guys. All right, here we go. And that's going to bring us to Convective Outlook Day 1, you guys. And as you can see here, we do have a marginal risk. The Storm Prediction Center does have a marginal risk for some severe weather here across extreme southern Texas, as you see. And then from parts of southeast Louisiana, north of Lake Pontchartrain on eastward, along the Gulf Coast, we do have a severe threat today. Tornado probability, no tornadoes expected. So that is always a blessing, you guys. As we move on to the hail probability, yes, there's a potential for some hail from extreme southeastern Louisiana on eastward along the Gulf Coast there, you guys. Wind probability from Mobile eastward, probability of some locally damaging gusts or two will be possible as well here across southern Texas, you guys. So that is the outlook for today. If you're along the Gulf Coast, be on the lookout for some showers and a few thunderstorms. Some could be heavy. Some may even turn severe, you guys. So be on the lookout, but it shouldn't be nothing too crazy, you guys. Convective outlook day 2, we should have a quiet day here across the U.S. on Wednesday, you guys, except for some showers and thunderstorms possibly along the California coast there, and even some showers and thunderstorms possibly here in southern Florida near the Miami area. As we go to convective outlook day 3, you guys, you can see as the system starts to come out of the western U.S., you can see that the severe weather threat starts to come back into play here across Texas and Oklahoma, as a marginal risk is in effect right now for Oklahoma City, Wichita Falls. All these areas could experience a marginal, right now, a low threat risk for severe weather. And this would be for Thursday, but I believe Thursday night into Friday is when the threat is going to really ramp up, you guys, as you can see here. As we go into convective outlook day 4, the Storm Prediction Center still has basically an enhanced risk out this far out for parts of the central U.S. here, Memphis, all of Arkansas, just about all of Missouri, parts of Iowa, just about all of Illinois here. You guys, there could be a outbreak of severe weather going on across this part of the country. And now, you guys, we're going to take a look at the GFS real quick to see what it's looking like in the mid to lower levels of the atmosphere. We're going to put the mid levels on, you guys. Get this rolling. All right, let's get to the low level winds, 850. You guys, y'all know I got to check my dates real quick. So Thursday is the 30th. All right, so that'll be Thursday going into Friday. So let's start about 7 p.m. on Thursday, you guys. As you can see, all right, here we go. This is perfect. All right, we have the trough here across the western United States, as you can see here, you guys. And then look at the strong low-level jet that is starting to enhance here across parts of the central and northern plains here. And as you can see, this is where the severe threat lies at for Friday. So, you guys, this could be a very dangerous situation for parts of the central United States, a classic springtime severe weather outbreak. And as we move into the 31st around midnight, so this is just entering Friday, you guys, you can see the trough is starting to advance out of the western U.S., getting closer as it approaches the plains. And as you can see, look at these strong low-level wind profiles. The low-level jet is going to be screaming here across Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, all these areas. So this is why this threat area is quite large here, because this is going to be potentially a quite big system here. And as we go to 7 a.m. in the morning, you guys, show you this trough as it continues to eject up on out of the west here and starts to enter the southern and central plains. Look at the strong low-level wind profiles. This is where the severe weather outbreak is going to start to be the nastiest here across parts of eastern Oklahoma, eastern Kansas here, and even into the Arklatex regions. And all of that is just going to continue to spread eastward here as we move throughout the day, which is just to be about 4 p.m. Friday. And as you can see, this trough here is in the southern and central plains with a low pressure. Look like it's starting to develop here near Iowa. Yes, look at that near Iowa. We have a strong low pressure area developing. And look at the strong low level jet here. This is going to be a nasty severe weather outbreak, possibly for Missouri here. And then even into parts of extreme southeastern Iowa, extending perhaps on into Illinois as we move on in to Friday night, you guys. So this will be something that we're going to keep an eye on, you guys. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe if you haven't so already. So as the updates continues to come through, you will be able to receive them here at your Weather on the Fly. Everyone be safe, be careful, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.